Hi everyone, welcome to the Betalux.com YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Beckham Hotel Collection Gel Pillow 2-Pack Hypoallergenic Queen Review. Coupled up with allergen-free gel fiber, top-notch cushions from synthetic substances can exude your mind at a nutritious location since you float without sniffs or coughs. A thick heart of gel fiber filled assists molds the human entire body, lowering frictional resistance to the flow of blood at the same time you unwind more completely. Hypoallergenic gel fiber cushions provide you with your visitors a more lavish alternative to down-infused kinds. Beckham Hotel Collection Gel Pillow Review recommends artificial and high-quality polyester fill that is thicker and hotter. Designed for durability, the Beckham Hotel Collection Gel Pillow has improved attic and endurance. Machine washable, the head support includes an extravagant, tender texture that will become cozier with each washing machine. Lightweight and super lofty, it hastens its initial form and adjusts to a favorite sleeping posture. You are unable to resist diving within these watertight cushions even when you might have allergies, respiratory, or allergies problems along with feathers that are down. Anti-allergy and sterile pillows supply an appropriate and air-permeable, clouds-like gentle aid with all the stability which averts neck and head annoyance. In any case, it truly is machine washable in a popular fever to complete all of the trapped pollutants and parasitic invaders. You may earn a bed of roses when you might have allergies, and respiratory problems. Even the Beckham Luxurious won't get rid of its glow thanks to spots, fade, dirt, sweat, body oils, or filth. Even though superior gel fiber comes with a bit of luxurious, it truly is long-wearing to overcome fading and wrinkles. For ladies worried about wrinkles, the pillow enhances stockpiles on your attractiveness arsenal. It truly is configured to redisperse mechanical anxiety throughout sleep and also dissuades the replication of both creases over the fragile face area. Down-infused cushions require proper pruning lest they amass mold and mold while in the match. Even the Beckham Hotel Collection Gel Pillow isn't going to find musty, moldy, or rust having a machine washing. That you really will need to stay refluffing daily to re-establish contour because of its shiftless. Beckham Hotel Collection Gel Pillow includes more cushioning to extend a solid surface, having a lightweight and ultra-soft luster of unprocessed cushions. The additional thick coating made from the generous heaps of filling causes it to be hotter on the chilliest evenings. It hastens verdant relaxation as a result of ample attic and appropriate orientation for one's own body motions. The stiff structure enables multiple sleep places, thermal insulating material and support to get pure curves of one's mind, neck, back as well as spine. Even the Beckham Hotel Collection Gel Pillow gets the many exemplary decisions in case you might have allergies since it truly is machine washable. You may decide on a temperature without even repainting, just such as down. Drain each and every 3 to 6 weeks to get germs, mold and odor elimination. Appropriate drying stops filling, mold and mold development. Dry in the bottom temperatures and throw 2 tennis balls straightened in cloth to avoid clumping. Beckham Lodge Assortment Gel Pillow supplies a non-toxic alternative which presents your company the true luxury of the down. Advanced level welding technology makes sure relaxation, sturdiness, and cleanliness. It truly is factory cleaned, free of pollutants along with other impurities like harmful compounds. It's going to do exactly the job in the event that you are afflicted with ailments, respiratory disorder, and even asthma. Machine washable and dryable, you are going to keep the draping with the gel-fed cushion without any fades, specks or soil. Additionally, it will wind up more evasive, soft and comfortable together with every single cleansing. No obstinate stains since you are able to use exceptional cleansers and wash at sizzling temperatures without any bulges, in contrast to pillows. The Beckham Luxurious will align along with your sleeping posture since you turn and flip by adapting its own shape. Each sleeper will enjoy its own service since it retains your neck and head aligned with your backbone because of redistribution of the weight reduction. It reshapes to stick to the all-natural curvature of the spine, shoulders, head, and throat. Even the gel-filled cushion packs ample stability, which seems unbelievably ideal since you shout away. If your face excels in, it is going to recover its very first quantity. Also, you also won't need to refluff by vibration out frequently. It truly is delicate to avoid strain points onto your backbone, although it leaves steady and firm aid with elastic recovery. Fiber fill lets recurrent washing devoid of decreasing loft and thermal regulating possessions. Additionally, it leaves it increasingly sterile, as dust mites along with parasitic contaminants find it impossible to resist temperature clogs. Unlike down White Goose, you also are able to wash at temperatures without even destroying its own qualities. Neat, dry sleeping ambience because the filling breathes completely, which permits air circulation and moisture escape. The outside cloth presents modicum cleansing requirements since it dries and moisturizes effortlessly. The satin-like pillow protect causes it to be soft and comfy, whether it protects the gel fill fiber to extend the all-natural existence span of this pillow. Could not supply the extra soft, really feel hunted by stomach sleepers, as a few users have discovered it also business. Together with Beckham Hotel Collection Gel Pillow Review, the bubble isn't going to burst, so on, though manufactured out of synthetics. Beckham Luxurious Packs gel-infused meat a squishy, puffy and super light texture. It's the down-like smoothness, having a gorgeous liner which is airy and plump. Luxury lavish gel cushions, dust repellent protection and sterile fill in bottom dollar rates seem just like street robbery. Insert a chic of botanical pop fashion for a bedroom decor, having its own elegance and accent.